Yo, what's good everyone? Today we're talking about how you guys can cop the Nike SB Dunk High Hawaii. Let's go. What is good everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, like I said, we're talking about the Hawaii 420 Nike SB Dunk Highs. An amazing shoe, fire shoe. I'm so excited for this one. This one's coming out soon, so I'm getting this video to you guys early so you can know how to cop this shoe. Again, if you guys haven't seen a how to cop video, they're pretty useful. I do them a lot for a lot of different releases, and this one's gonna be a super important one. It's gonna be highly coveted shoe. A lot of people want this one, and it's gonna be pretty exclusive. Nike sneakers probably gonna be the best bet, but I'm gonna leave you guys some huge tips. I've hit on a couple different releases just recently. Got those green glow dunks, got the Hyper Royals that came out. So I'm gonna share some secrets today. That's towards the end of the video. If you guys haven't seen a how to cop video before, basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna talk about the release, break it down the shoe kind of on Nike Snkrs website, go through a resale guide, and then we'll also talk about like where you guys can cop the shoe, as well as like some of those secrets that I talked about. So make sure to stick around to the end of the video. And you guys know we're on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button for you, boy. It helps me out so much, helps this channel, and really just helps this video go out to other people who might be trying to cop this shoe, maybe trying to find me, who knows. But other than that, let's get into the video today. The Nike SB Dunk High Hawaii is set to release April 23rd. I think it got delayed a little bit, just a couple days, but it is this year's 420 dunk. We've had a couple different 420 dunks come out in the past. We had like the purple skunk dunks, we had the reverse skunk, we also had the strawberry coughs, which are unreleased. I wish they'd bring the coughs out sometime, those are fire, but this year's 420s is a little more wearable in my opinion. I really do like the vibe on this shoe. The Hawaiian vibe is dope on it, and these ones are coming out super soon. So like I said, I'm breaking down this release, how you guys can hit on this shoe. Retail is gonna be at $120 for these, not high. It's just another dunk high release, honestly. And something not shown on the sneakers website that we're about to break down is that the shoe actually has a tearaway layer underneath the upper. It goes from kind of like that floral blue sail vibe on the upper to an underneath shaggy green suede, as well as like a bright vibrant orange palm tree design. And so the tearaway under adds another nice detail onto the shoe. And in the past, we've seen shoes that have tearaways on them go crazy. One of the most popular, most like high reselling recent dunk highs that came out was the Carpet Company dunks, and those are selling for a lot right now. Probably one of the highest, like I said, so this one's definitely gonna be wanted. Let's check out Nike Sneakers, kind of look at the shoe a little. Again, on Nike Sneakers website, we have the SB Dunk High Hawaiis, retailing $120. We just have men's sizes. It's gonna run from men's size 6 to a men's size 15. And I honestly wish they would have done like a full family size run, because I think that would look so sweet. Some little toddler Hawaii dunks would be fire. But we do have men's sizing, which is very good. Pretty good size run as well. Size 6 to 15 is going to be a nice size run. But I mean, just peeping these shoes, they're hard. I love that like sail swoosh, the sail outsole, some of the touches with the vibrant like bright orange touches on like the insole, as well as that little piece on the outsole is so money. I think they did really good. And like I said, like the island Hawaii vibes are dope on the shoe. It is a dunk that's inspired by the island Hawaii. The floral print all along the upper, as well as that I don't know why they didn't show it on here, but they have that underneath layer of the green suede, as well as that like orange palm tree hit on the inside. Also on the insole, a crazy detail. You can't tell very much on here, but I saw some other pictures of it. And on one of the insoles, it is actually like a picture depicting like an erupting volcano. And then the other one is like the nene goose or something like that, which is like the Hawaii state bird. So just fire little details on the shoe. Another sick hit on the shoe is on the tongue, that kind of like citrus vibrant Nike tag on the tongue. I think that is so sick. And another thing you can't see very well, there's actually a hidden pocket on the tongue. Let me see if I can get a good picture. Kind of, yeah, you can kind of see it right here, that hidden pocket on the tongue. I mean, we all know we're hiding inside that pocket. But another sick detail to make it that 420 dunk. And like some actual design details of the dunk high. You have the Zoom Air unit in the back heel, as well as the padded tongue, which both just allow to help with actual skating with the shoe. We see that a lot in dunk highs as well as dunk lows. Makes them wearable, makes them skatable, makes them more comfy. Great shoe. I think everyone in Hawaii honestly should automatically get these shoes. I don't think they should have to enter on sneakers, but either way, it's gonna be a tough release. Prices are looking pretty good right now, so that's why you guys are really gonna wanna focus on trying to cop this shoe. Let's break down that in the resale guide now. Now, given that Dunk Highs have kind of not been the best on resale wise, we have had a lot of Dunk Highs that have released recently this year, also a little bit of last year as well. They haven't been going crazy resale wise. The Carpet Company Dunk Highs were probably one of the most profitable Dunk Highs that have released recently. Those are in the upper 500, so those are doing pretty good. But these ones are also going to do the same. I think this is another one that you're not going to want to sleep on. Obviously, we all know this one is going to sell pretty good, sell out very fast. It's going to be very hard to cop. And not like some of the other Dunks, which prices have fallen pretty substantially throughout the releases that have happened, and as people get pairs in. This is going to be a great hold. This one's also going to be possibly a great investment too. If you can get some nice prices on some sizes, I think this one could be a very nice hold going into the summer at least. This shoe, my recommendation, unless you get a pretty high offer right out the bat, I would definitely tuck these until summer, and I think they will definitely skyrocket. Once people get pairs in, kind of sell a little bit, I think it'll have a pretty nice curve going up into the summer. Other than that, a hold would probably be into next summer, so you guys know what I think. If you guys get multiple pairs, it is kind of nice to hold a couple, sell a couple, but if you got like one pair or something, if you're not struggling capital-wise, it's a good idea to hold for at least a little bit. Most pairs, unless, like I said, you get a high offer. So these ones right now, most prices are at about $500-600. It's kind of varying with some crazy $1,000 numbers here and there, but we did just have sneakers early access for these shoes. So once people get pairs in, we'll be able to see a better idea, but it's looking most likely about $500-600 is the pre-release. And I don't think they'll drop too much. I think after skate shop raffles and sneakers, probably we'll see about maybe 400, definitely in the 400s, but after that, they're just gonna go up from there. Now, where can you guys cop these shoes? Right now, not too many places have loaded up if they're gonna drop them at all, just because they don't come out yet. Next week, the week of, usually is when they start loading stuff up. And this one's none different. I mean, sneakers did have early access, like I said, for this and the 11 Low Legend Blues, kind of the same day. Not too many people got the Hawaii access, but I did see a lot of people with the 11 lows, which is good signs because I'm trying to hit those too. But right now, not too many things. I know they're loaded on sneakers, and it looks like a bunch of different skate shops will get it. So it's looking like a pretty limited release, probably pretty similar to a Carpet Company Dunk High with more retailers, just because it's not a specific skate shop that's getting the shoe. But this one is gonna be pretty tough right now. Raffle wise, it might be your best chance besides sneakers. The US has about 4 raffles loaded up now. We have FTC, we got Atlas, and a couple others. But those are going to be ones that will be tough. I know a lot of skate shops tend to backdoor, so it is going to be very tough to get a shoe like this, but it never hurts to enter. We should see some Instagram raffles go up for them, things like that. So I would just keep your eye on like sneaker pages, you know, Soul Retriever for raffles, stuff like that. For my Europe folks, it looks like just Consortium has a raffle right now. I don't know how many will get it. I assume it's going to be a pretty similar, like Louis Via Roma should get them. I mean, some other skate shops, more exclusive Tire Zero shops will get this shoe, but it is going to be pretty limited. And I've also seen Japan actually has a couple different raffles loaded up. So that's going to be another place where, I mean, if you have a buddy there, like a good solid reshipper, you could enter some raffles there. But I think most things are going to be either backdoored or just super low stock. So it's always worth it to enter the raffles, but again, sneakers gonna be your best shop. Now, rumor has it Nike Sneakers is moving to just a draw system on basically all like more hype releases. I mean, I think some lower ones, maybe like a Jordan Delta or kind of more of a basic Air Force, not gonna have super like heavy botting and stuff like that, so they won't really do a draw on it. But definitely most Dunks, Jordans, other like retro Jordan 1, stuff like that, they're definitely gonna have draws. So you guys gotta learn how to hit on these draws. And I know the best way to hit on draws is just multiple entries. You gotta have friends, you gotta have different devices, you gotta have things like that enter. Specifically, I told you guys, if you haven't hit in a while, the Dunk Low, it was the Dunk Low Green Glow video. I said, if you guys haven't hit in a while, it's time to make a new account because you will hit. And I even actually tested it out for you guys. I made a new account for the Green Glow Dunks right before that release, and then in the morning of, I entered, and that was actually the only account that hit. So kind of sus, but I mean, that's what it is. I said that if you guys haven't hit in a while, new accounts seem to get awarded first, and then they just kind of want, I feel like Nike just kind of wants them to like keep buying stuff, and so they reward them. I've seen tons of different people who have gone on their first entry and have hit, so that's gonna be the same thing. If you guys haven't hit in a while, if you didn't hit the Hyper Royals, didn't hit the Green Glows, and you want to hit some of these other April releases, maybe into May as well, I would 100% just make a new account. It's simple, same phone number, different email, and I think you guys will take a dub on these. Other than that, best of luck. Hawaii Dunk's coming out soon, in about 6 days, about a week basically. But if you guys like this video, like this channel, give me that support, hit that subscribe button, leave a big like on the video. You guys know what it does. We'll see you guys next time.